Naka-sunrise tayo. Taas na nga lang.
That's okay.
This is Sabina for her first time, so I gotta do the 50 minutes. Difficult.
I never done this. At the ocean. Hi everyone. Welcome to Maine. So anyway, andito ako sa Beehive, Beehive Trail here at Maine. Nag-hiking kami ni Bev. So first time ko talaga itong mag-hike sa tanang buhay ko. Nag-akit-akit ako doon. Oh my gosh. Pero honestly, it's not that bad. Basta mag-focus ka lang dun sa sa rail. At saka wag kang titingin doon sa baba. Tumingin ka na doon sa baba kapag natapos mo na yung hike. All right. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I really appreciate all of you. God bless everyone. Bye-bye. So, we're gonna go start from here. Tawaray. So ayan, mag-hiking na kami. First hiking ko sa buong buhay ko. Basta magdahan-dahan lang. Ano ito yung blue, 'di ba? Yung pathway, yung blue yung susundan natin. Ang galing ng bata, nagawa niya. Tingnan nyo. Heart rate ko, 163 na agad. Wala pa sa taas yan ha. Jesus. Is this the one where we have to go? Diba? Ayan. Dito nga yun. Dear Lord, protect us.
Isang kita, bilisan mo.
Protect us, Jesus. Protect us, dear Lord.
It's here first time. So, bear with her.
Ikaw ang guide ko.
And she's a guide now. It's okay, Isa. Just keep going. Just slowly.
Unahin mo sila, please.
Gapang. Gapang pa mo. Ito yung first hike ni Hanili. Oh. Sorry. We took it to the heart trail. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my. Can you see that? Oh, ha, dinaig pa ang professional. Oh, umakyat pa mo. Para umakyat ka lang ng bayabas niyan. Yung isa doon gumagapang na tinutulak ng kanyang jowa ba yun? Sabi niya, ayaw ko na. Sabi niya, you can do it. Oh, haba.
Ayan. So we are in 229 feet.
Did you,
Yeah, ayan. Oh. Yeah, I got ano here. Oh, it's on my Apple Watch. Bahala na. Lord Jesus, protect us. Okay. Ganda. Sige. There she is. The professional hiker, really.
No, you're not.
I'm just pretending, I guess. Pero to be honest, it's so nice up here. It's cold. Naka. Sige, kaya ko na yan. Mauna ka. O, di ba? Naglalakas kunuhay ang loob.
Just guiding my friend over here. Oh, mukhang mga baguhan lang pala itong nasa likod din natin. Nagulat siya doon sa mahirap na bato.
Nauhaw na ako.
Hindi mo na ako iinom kasi ayokong umihi. Is that bad? Look.
Video niya ako.
And I'm behind.
Oh my gosh. Kung kailan pa nagtanda. Nag-akyat-akyat.
Oh ha, si Honey Lian, oh.
Ano?
Ang kaibigan kong matakotin. Anong hala? Kaya yan. Walang hala-hala dyan. Kabang.
Dahil ikaw naman kay videoan kita doon kay.
Well, this is challenging one right here. So, he said he won't go with me, but here she is.
Because
Here
of
she
her.
is. She did
Thank
it.
you for giving me a courage though.
Look at that. Look at the view. So where I'm at? Where we at? Right here.
Ay, ito ang ganda.
First time pala nung ano na yan. Mag-jawakoy. Oh, tingnan mo, nasa tuktok na tayo.
300.
Eh, that's not high enough. Hindi siya pwede sa with fear of height. Look, yung ka. Takot na yan. Takot na yan si Hanley. Ang ganda ng view. Pinagtripan talaga ah.
Sorry guys, I'm slow.
You're totally good. We're not in a rush.
You need to take your time. We need souvenirs, you know. Kaupo sa bato. Oh, tagilid yan.
Punta mo na ako dito.
Kapit pa more. Kamakapit siya na parang tupo. Need help? Ah, no, you do not need help.
Okay, I get like 361 feet already.
Hirap na yan pero nagbibideo pa din. Video is live. Ayaw umakyat. Tanggong siya doon sa ibabaw. Natanggong siya. Yung babae doon. No? Kaya nyo yan. Oh, si Hanili. Oh, parang dinaig pa ang 10 years hiker. Ooh.
520 feet.
It's not that high.
Well, for me, I'm the new beginner. Kalahin mo. Beehive Summit, 520 feet. Oh,
It's not that
thank you. I made it. I made to hike in where is this again? Beehive in Acadia National Park in Maine. Oh my God, thank you so much, Lord. And thank you so much, Dai. You give me courage. Oh my gosh. Parang naiiyak ako. Naiiyak ako. Diba? Nagdrama-drama. Okay.
This feels like my childhood.
So that's the parking lot over there.
It was like after the one spot where we were both a little sketched. Yeah.
Oh my
At least
gosh,
that
look
was-
at that
I think you
view.
picked it up. I think after I
It's
put that
really
phone
worth
to
it.
your head. Oh my god. Time for the selfie though. Yeah.
So ayan, awa ng Diyos, naakyat ko siya. Oh my God, thank you Lord. In fairness, nanginginig yung tuhod ko doon. I know. Pero sa totoo lang, okay naman siya, as in, hindi naman as in talagang super hirap. Pag siguro yung weather umuulan, yun ang mahirap. Yes. Sometimes nakakaano magnood ng mga video eh. Kasi na-anxiety tuloy ako. Akalain mo yun, akyat ko yun. Oh my God. Oh. Yeah.
Exercise ring closed.
So, yan. Pero maganda talaga yung ganitong weather lang. Oo. Pero alam mo, maganda rin dito pag fall season. Wow. It's gonna be really beautiful. I've been seeing some video on YouTube though. Alam mo, I-episode ko to, isang one episode ito, yung hiking. Yan ang yeah, isang episode ko to. Take note. We are here at Maine. And this is my first time to hike in Maine. O, diba? O, diba? Dumayo pa talaga ng Maine State para lang mag-hiking. Honestly talaga, Day. Oo.
Nawawala yung kinakain natin kagabi.
Oo. At saka alam mo, parang nawala na yung takot ko. Diba?
So from now on, we'll start. Let's go. Let's find another difficult hike.
Oh. Ayan. Yun. Ngayon, pauwi na kami. Actually, pababa na pala. So ito, pababa na ito. So pag pababa, medyo okay na siya. Patag, medyo patag na rin yung pababa niya.
Alam mo, hindi pala sumama yung babae.
Pero you still have to be careful, you know. Why? Lala, do I have to slide here? Kung kailan patapos.
Hindi natatakot ang katirik-tirik. Diyan pa sa pagkababa. Masasabi mong drama pero hindi eh.
Kasi, hindi mo ba alam, sabi nung isa, kung kailan malapit ka na sa bahay, doon ang surprise. Diba? Yes! We made it!
Well, I met him. He was coming up the loop trail.
No. Kung ano yung, this is the Sun Beach, Day. No, Beehive is the most, important. And then maybe we can go to Thunder Hole. And Jordan Loop. Ay, Jordan Pan pala. Maganda rin doon sa Jordan Pan, Day, kasi yung beach, yung ilog niya, tapos parang may mga rocks. Ang ganda ng, siya, picturesque. Yan. Saglit yan. I-zoom ko siya. Siya ang pasimuno. Pero binigyan niya ako ng, kahit pasimuno siya, binigyan niya ako ng courage. Oh my God. Itong babaeng talaga to. Ano ko to eh? Hoy! Bruha ka! Aray ko. Binigyan niya ako ng ito talaga ang partner in crime ko eh. Binibigyan niya ako lagi ng courage. Siya rin ang siya ang pasimuno rin dati. Sabi niya hindi raw kami dadaan ng New York. All of a sudden, dumaan kami ng New York, New Jersey. Oh, ha?
Kapag-drive sa kayo.
Yes.
Yung nag-hike ako sa Arizona, yung tungkod ko at saka yung calf.
Yes, knees ang kalaban mo dito. So, pag hindi matibay talaga ang tuhod mo, wag na lang mag-try. And you guys, as always, pray for safety. You know? That's the most important.
Nakakahawak ng tao ito. Kaya nagkaganito.
Ah,
Kita mo, smooth na siya.
oo.
Dapat ganito yan.
Naglambot-lambot na.
Nag-smooth sa kakahawak ng tao. Pati yung ganito.
Mhm. So, ako, sige ang video mo sa akin paakyat. Ikaw naman, sige ang video ko sa'yo pagpababa. So, that's the beehive. There's a lot of bee here. Oh my gosh! Not too close. Okay. Here you go. That's why they call this one here, I guess, beehive, right? Oh.
Hive. Nakakita kami ng hive.
Oh. Sige, lapit pa kay kaunon ka.
Beehive. Nakakita kami ng hive. Oh.
Oh. Sige, lapit pa kay kaunon ka.
Right here. Ball chair. Beehive chair. What is it?
Where is this? We're looking for the parking.
What are you looking for?
For the parking.
Sand beach down
I
here.
think it's down here.
Down here?
Yeah, Sand Beach.
Ah, okay, okay.
We park by the road.
Yeah, same.
Ah, okay, okay.
Same. Exact same.
My knee is giving up.
You're too young for your knee to give up.
Thank you, ma'am.
Tell it not to.
It hurts.
Just be like, wait 20 years, please.
This is her first time hiking.
Yeah.
Oh, you're doing great. Did you go up the ladders?
Yeah, I did.
Amazing.
Thank you.
Very, very.
I'm surprised too.
And you should be proud of yourself.
She gave me a courage though. Without her, I cannot do that really. So thank you, Dai.
Amazing.
He
I
has a
know.
little fear of heights, and he was freaking out before we did it.
Oh,
And then once we
really?
did it, he was fine.
You
Yeah.
guys been hiking?
No, this is our first
We
like
have
real
60
hike.
years experience
Oh my
on
gosh.
We're old people.
here. Yeah.
Oh
We
my.
are old people.
No.
Yeah, it's okay. We're good old people.
I would say if 90, you're 90, you're old then.
That's it. That's all my mom is. So
Yeah.
96.
You're not? Oh.
Wow. So nice here.
But thanks for pointing out that beehive.
Really?
Yung woodpecker ng Pilipinas.
Yeah.
Malaki kaya siya. Parang
Ano yung woodpecker sa Tagalog?
tumutuktok ng kahoy.
Ano yung tuko?
Ibon.
Aw, aray ko. Kasi di ba yung tuko? Tuko.
Yung narinig mo doon. Yun, tinutuktok na yung kahoy.
Ah, okay, okay. Oh my gosh. Bobo talaga ako.
Hindi naman lahat alam. Hindi naman kasi common yung
Sana hindi magalaw itong video pag ano. Kasi naglalakad kami eh. O, di ba?
And then I remember junior year. I'm trying to think of like my grades. I think.
Uy, pako ito. Ay, sorry.
No, that is fern. Why? Is the pako is fern?
Oh, look. Look, it's 8 o'clock. We got it. We got it back. On
What time?
It's 7:57.
Okay. But that's not pako. O sige nga, i-google mo nga.
Wala man ako yung pang-detection ng ano.
What? Let's go now. We made it. Dyan ka.
Inaano, where can you find the garbage? People,
Dyan. Cadillac Summit to, di ba? Andito na yung isa. Kitang-kita yung bayong ando doon. Let's go.
is it worth it to go down there?
Yeah,
Is it worth it to go down?
yeah. Just follow the blue.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Okay. Ang saya-saya. Alam mo na, nakaka-relax. Nakaka-relax pala ang hiking. Love it. You know, kasi nakikita mo yung mga nature. God's creation. Of course. Look at that. There you go. And of course, I wanted to share to all of you, to everyone. Diba? So, dun sa mga hindi pa nakakapunta dito to the Filipino and American and all over the world, of course. Maine State is awesome. Another state that is one of my favorite, really. Yeah. Okay. Day. Over here, all. Let's have pictures there. Oh. Wala na yata yan. Baka ano na lang yan. Magpa-picture tayo dito. Ayun, dun sa may ano, oh. Ako dyan. Sa may bag. Oh, diba? Okay. Pupunta ka pa dyan? Kaya nga yan, dyan. Ayoko na pumunta doon. Saan? Dito muna dapat. Upo ka dyan. Ano ba, saan ba talaga itong bruhang to? Hindi malaman kung saan siya pupunta. Huwag na, uy. Dito, picture lang kita dyan. Maganda ang view. Baka kung kailan pa tuloy na ano. Okay, ganito. Ganito muna. Ganyan. Okay. Tapos ganyan naman. So, ayan. Paakyat na kami. Yun nga lang, madami kang hingal dito.
That building, yeah.
Because their parking lot is small, so that's why they limited the people. You know. Kasi mag-iikot-ikot tayo sa Bar Harbor eh.
It says 12 o'clock, we can check in.
Yeah, so after Thunder Hole, then we can go check in and freshen up. Kaya maligo ako.
The Y2 Country Workday with
So we are going now to, they called like Thunder Hole.
Come on, Jared. Take a chance.
Dito tayo ba? Wow! Or dun tayo? Or I don't know what they're looking in there though. I'll go there real quick, okay? We're gonna go down here. See what's going on here. Okay.
Oh no, I'm okay. See, like personal ring, you want to show some video of video ring. Bought today. What do we have time for?
At the ocean. We're gonna go check in. So, ito ang hotel namin. Look at that. My 2 chair over there. Television. They have some fridge. Here's the restroom.